Emma is not moving till Monday. Today was the day we got the keys, so me and Steph drove down yesterday from Glasgow, drove some random shit up, and we're just like gonna sort the flat out kind of like a bit before Emma gets here. So there was like all these ugly pictures on the walls and stuff, and we like took them down, put them all in a cupboard. What else did we do? Binned some random shit, like hid all their, they left like plates and stuff for us, but they were really like spitting and dirty. All the pans were dirty and stuff, so I was like, we moved all them into like this wee washroom. I brought some random stuff like books, tea. Just drove up, I literally, I don't even know why I drove, because I feel like everything I've drove up is pretty pointless. It's like cleaning stuff. Tea, spices, but
toilet paper.
Toilet paper. Could have brought that in a case though. There was like honestly no point in me driving up. But we now have like all the essentials that like probably would have cost us a lot more money, maybe. Like fairy liquid, soap, dish.
Got the basics.
They left us a Hoover, which was nice. It was quite ugly with their stuff in it. Not ugly, no? It was
not
just
nicely decorated.
No, it wasn't nicely decorated. It was a bit creepy.
Yeah.
If anything, and like just didn't look clean. Like I wanna like walk in for it to feel like they're cleaning like a space that you're just like your head's clear. So we're gonna like, we've got a grey couch right now. I'll do a room tour soon, but like we've got this grey couch. We're gonna upholster that. We're gonna get rid of all their pillows. We're gonna take all the photos off the wall and like paint it white, paint the walls white. We need to go to ikea and get a clothes rail, and there's just some furniture that they left that like we should probably get rid of. Bear with us because we're just trying to like get rid of the smell and stuff. But you've got, this is going to be Emma's room. She's got the bigger room. That's a little, I'm getting her a little present for moving in, so I know like what mood she's in. So she's got like a happy octopus, or if she's sad she can put this one on. Look at the picture at the end of her bed. Like imagine waking up just to him. This is my room, and I've just put my case. And this is my bed, and I brought some bedding, but I think I might get a new bed too, and like a side table. And then my plan is some new curtains. I've got nice curtains with me that I had for the flat that I didn't ever use. And I don't know if I should get drawers or a clothes rack, because my room, it was quite small like when we first seen it, but we moved the bed that way. The bed was initially that way. It had like the bookshelf, and also when I went to view it the first time, there was like no space to move here. But now it's like quite big and spacious. Boxes we need to move. Then you come into the living room. Oh, Steph's tidying.
Is it all for you, darling?
You're too cute, man. And then we've got the kitchen. Ooh. Which is quite small, but I really like it. Like I feel like it's enough space. This is like a rough draft, and we will come back and it will be really pretty. And then this is the bathroom. We've got a little bidet, bum washer, skincare cupboard, the most important thing in the whole flat, and 2 sinks so we can be a cute couple and brush our teeth at the same time. Oh my freaking god.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that couch.
Oh my god.
Fuck. I bet they're like $3,000.
Bet they're so comfy and worth
Look
the
at
$3,000.
Will you get me? It's a flat one.
Yeah.
Should we go in? I love that.
You know, we're just looking at these.
Yeah, how much are the little stools?
So they're 860 each.
Do you know how much for the like chair version of that? Like the one chair?
Yes, we have a huge one, kind of large. This one is 3,160. The bigger one? Yes. The big one.
Oh, I love it.
This one is 2,160. Wow.
I love it.
Can we try them?
Of course.
I love this one.
Like, daddy, please?
That one's like literally what me and Emma were gonna get. There's more in here. Very nice.
Do you just feel at home? Yeah. Yeah. Not Chloe's ass crack out.
not making
Probably. Well, maybe you can afford that one. Just that little one over there. Where are you? Is that not incredible?
Where's Marley?
Oh, it's Marley. I thought you died. You literally died last night in the movie. What's happened? Okay, we're gonna go to IKEA now because we can afford that.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
Wow, get those angles, girl. That's hard. We had to stop for some iconic meatballs, obviously.
And the garlic bread, of course.
We decided to go vegan for the day. Or like until further notice, but I think I might go pescatarian.
I'll be quite easier.
So I got the plant balls. They're really nice. Do you want to compare? I'll give you half of one. You can have a full one.
No, that's half one.
Oh! I'll take that back then.
Oh, she's not vegan anymore, guys.
I forgot. Mmm.
Oh, wait. No, that one's okay.
The meat one?
No.
Is it nice?
Sorry, guys. No, it's not terrible. It's not meaty, you know?
I enjoy it.
Good.
Let's go. Mind if I put pasta in?
I'll clean and you cook.
Oh, okay. It's just starting all the food down. Let's go quick the blockage. Give me a jar of tea, please. Because that's actually how you make tea. Lovely, and I've got a saucer as well.
They're quite classy, they're nice. Two? There she is. Emma's here. I'm gonna go down and get her and help her up with her cases.
So excited, I can actually cry.
Oh!
So nice.
I decorated it all.
This looks insane! This looks so good!
And then this is for you.
Oh my god. I've got these that I didn't bring!
I was thinking so that we know like when we're in a bad mood or
We're in a bad mood, we can change that.
And I've got one too.
I love it. Oh my god, I love them.
Cause I feel like I'm the angry. Well, no,
You're not angry.
I'm not angry, but like more angry than emotional. You're gonna be more emotional.
I'm more emotional now. Oh. You get me anything.
But
Stop
it's
saying
not a flatworm.
Oh my god. This is literally me and a mug.
know.
That is me. Stop it.
Don't cry. That's so you. Today is going to be the last of the moving day vlog. We just put up our mirror. We just got a big IKEA order basically with like all the kind of essential things that we needed. So like Emma's not been sleeping with bedding or anything, so she got bedding, we both got a bed. What else did we order, Emma? Some lamps.
I was thinking maybe mattresses off and like against the wall, and then dismantle the beds and like lie them on and like put them up against the next wall, and then put those down and do them,
Yeah.
and put those beds underneath and put the mattress back on. This is Chloe's room, gorgeous, bright and light. I went to my room It's fucking disgusting. No, it is. It's like what you need for a small room. It's just zen. It's bright. It's white. It's literally gorgeous.
Now we're on to round 2. We need to take Emma's bed down, put her new one up. But it's gonna look so pretty when we do.
Make it drop. Babes, we're never gonna get this bed done.
I'm tired. London's tiring.
It fucking is.
Oh my god. She just broke the door.
Oh fuck.
No man, that's staying open. Fuck this.
We might get locked in. Or out.
Hopefully, because I love this place. This is the inside of it. Does that make a difference?
Maybe.
I feel like I might end the vlog here because I feel like it's gonna be so long. I think I filmed a lot of stuff. So thanks so much if you made it to the end of the video. I love you guys. Good night. And stay tuned because I'm gonna be posting lots more vlogs. I really enjoy YouTube. Night.